Come on. Hungry one.
Wednesday.
Right, steady. Oh my god, it's like she's never eaten before. Feed me.
How old is she now?
She's 9 days now.
So she's 9 days old?
Yeah, that's right.
So what's her age? What's her age?
9 days.
God, guzzling. So he's replaced it with a gannets chick.
Oh, look at little wings. Oh, bless.
Her eyes are open today as well. Alright.
But she doesn't open them much. It's because she's tired. Right, Daddy?
Maybe. It's probably because she's not used to having her eyes open. Look here, darling. Stop trying to eat my finger. Oh, okay, that's not quite how it's supposed to go. Here we go, look. Steady. You're going to give yourself gas.
Oh, bless.
Maybe she's not coming in fast enough for her. I'll tip it up a bit. It's a little bit thicker actually today. Maybe I made it too thick. Mind you, look at her crop. Look, ready?
Whoa. Fatty boom boom. I think you're full, sweetie.
She would keep on eating until she popped, I think. Yes, darling. She's got a bit of air in there as well, look.
All I can see is fingers. Wow. Look how much she grew when we were away.
Look at that. Fatty boom boom. And you've got actual feathers, well, nearly, anyway.
Can I hold her?
Can you hold her?
Yes, darling, of course you can. You've got clean hands.
Mommy's still videoing.
There we go.
Stop
Oh,
eating
she's
me.
chilling out a bit now. She's had some food. Look.
Tight girl. She's so tiny.
It's not compared to what she did the other day, isn't it?
Yeah, the other one's tiny.
Have you got the other one in there? Do you want to feed this one, Puppet?
Yeah.
Okay, you can stop now. You take two.